She hates it. God. This looks painful.
I know it brings out my features, so.
But I know it brings out my features. They're pissed. They're pissed about this. Make no mistake. So this is cycle 10 where they fumble it because they gave the wrong girl the diabolical makeover. So let's take a look, shall we?
Dye was spelled like D-Y-E, and I immediately knew, oh my gosh, it's really gonna be makeovers.
It's happening.
Kyra, please don't shave my head.
She's watched previous seasons, for sure. Do you have to do that, Pips? Pipsy, no. You're being so bad today. Pipsy wants to be included, so here she is. As long as she's part of this, she's happy. Otherwise, I'd love the direct look into the camera. Are you saying hi to everyone?
Hello. This cycle, Tyra has been so secretive about what's going on, we don't even know what's going on.
What's the secret?
Very, very secretive. We are at the Stephen Knoll salon. Coming out here, Mr. Stephen Knoll. He is a huge hairdresser, especially in the fashion industry. He is responsible for Cindy Crawford's tresses.
My team and I are so excited to have you all here. It's very, very exciting.
So, with models today, your agent looks at you and decides what look will make you the most marketable.
Yes.
And sometimes I'll send you to the salon and you sit in the chair, you don't even know what the heck is gonna happen. And it's one of the scariest things.
I would say that most of the time the models know what's going to happen to their hair. Usually you have an idea at least of what's going to happen. If you're with an agent, like if you're an agency model and they want to change up your look.
You sit in the chair, you don't even know what the heck is gonna happen. And it's one
No,
of the
you usually know.
scariest things in the world. So today, I am your agent. And everybody is going to be sitting in a chair, not knowing what the hell is going on.
Oh, God.
In the fashion industry, some supermodel doesn't stand in front of you and go, you're gonna get this, and you're gonna get this, and you're gonna get this.
A supermodel.
You're in New York City. This is how it really happens. So we're
No,
keeping it real this cycle.
Honestly, I don't. She keeps saying this is how it really happens. At least from the models I've spoken to, the girls, if they're gonna get their hair cut, they know what haircut they're getting because they consent to it. They're like, okay, I'll go blonde, or I'll dye my eyebrows. They usually know what to expect before they don't just get in a salon chair and then surprise. They usually know what's gonna happen. Again, but that's just from the models I've spoken to. Maybe they did stuff differently back then. From my knowledge, that's what happens. Like, you know what haircut or hairstyle you're gonna get.
So we're keeping it real this cycle. And then you're going to be doing a very sexy photo shoot to show off your new looks. So let's get this party started.
Oh, God. They don't even know what they're getting.
All right, come on. Let's go.
Okay, this way.
Okay.
I'm excited slash nervous slash I don't know.
I would be, I don't know.
Christmas and you don't know what it's gonna turn out.
Is it like Christmas? Because Christmas, you're expecting a gift that's gonna make your life better, that you actually like. I think this is a Christmas where you get a gift that you didn't want, and that ruins your life. Like a bunch of mosquitoes. You open up a box, or like a box of glitter that goes everywhere, and you have to vacuum for the next 5 years to pick it up.
Oh my God, I'm so happy to be here, Tyra. Oh my God, I think if I had some
Why is she doing that voice?
platinum, so platinum, it looks almost white, Tyra. I really feel like I can handle that.
I mean, you look supermodel.
Oh, she looks cute.
I think this makeover will give me
Wow.
an edge because it's a very sophisticated look, so I just have to be
Oh,
more
she looks
elegant with it.
amazing. Yes.
I feel like a new person.
Sexy curvy girl needs sexy curvy long thick hair. So Whitney's getting a weave.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
I love it.
This new look
Okay,
fits
yeah, she
my
looks good.
personality a lot better. Because inside, I'm super bubbly.
Looks like Britney
and
Spears
girly.
haircut.
You know, I had this hair. I'm like,
Yes, I love that. Britney Spears, early 2000s. There hasn't been anything diabolical yet, which makes me suspicious. But maybe this will just be all good makeovers. And maybe we're not watching America's Next Top Model.
Now that I have this hair, I'm like, ah.
I love that she's excited about it. Stop.
Michelle, don't you think we should do like a nice little side sweep? Yeah. And we'll give you like a little certain little tire base.
Yeah, you do look better.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
I already see my head, what you're gonna look like. It's gonna be unbelievable.
Unbelievably bad
Inside you already.
or
And the
unbelievably
haircut
good?
just needs to take you to the next level. We're giving you bangs, Amy, to here, and a little scraggly right about to here.
Scraggly. Oh wow.
I love it. Oh my gosh. I think this might bring out the little bit of sex bomb that I needed to
She
bring
looks-
into
okay,
my
she-
photo shoot.
She looks good. Okay. I mean, I can't believe I'm saying this, but everything's looking good so far. So what? I'm waiting though. Who's gonna cry on this episode? Because everyone's too happy. Who is getting their hair chopped off? Just tell me now.
Into my photo shoot.
I don't know what we're gonna do to it. I looked at the utensils to see what they was gonna do to my hair. And I was like, okay, I see some weave. Okay,
It looks like
this must not
surgery.
be my table.
Marvina is going to get a horse mane hair weave, which I've never seen before in my life. It's something that I kind of invented. We're gonna keep the sides as they are and take this hair that she's got here and add long hair like a horse. So she's gonna be like,
You want her to look like a horse?
I like it because it's so long here. You can really do all sorts of stuff with it.
I looked in the mirror, I was like,
Okay.
damn, I look like a girl. This is a better look for me.
Okay. That's new.
I don't know what's going on. I've shaved my hair off. I've had a mohawk. I had dreads. I had red, purple, blue, and that's normal for me. The least normal you could do to me is give me long hair.
Lauren is our like anti-glamour girl. I still want her to keep her weirdness on the inside because that's what got her here. But what's gonna get her to the next level is a long blonde weave with reddish highlights.
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me?
I've always considered myself like an ugly duckling, but now I feel girly. I feel
Okay.
pretty and
I don't know about this. I don't mind the hair, but maybe darker would have suited her more. She seems very happy with it, so I'm happy. I'm happy with this. And the girls so far are very excited about their hair. I love to see it, honestly. Everyone's very happy and excited. So far, so good. But all good things must come to an end.
I feel pretty and this is weird for me.
I love that she feels pretty.
Like I tell the other girls, keep breathing. Just keep
Oh my
breathing.
God, stop.
But look, now you got this little flip going on here, so you can just have
Yeah,
the wind
just-
blow.
I think I'm gonna be able to work this look like really a lot. And I know the judges were really shady earlier about me. Ms. J is always so shady anyway on the set.
Yeah.
And she thinks she knows everything. But I know one thing, I got something on her. How can I walk that bitch anytime?
I mean, there's nothing that's a joke about what Miss J just said. Nothing. Miss J saying what we've all been thinking about the judging and everything. Oh, Miss J is always so shady. I'm like, yeah. Okay, that's what I heard.
Thinks she knows everything. But I know one
She
thing, I got
thinks she
something
knows
on her.
everything.
How can I walk that bitch anytime?
Katarzyna's face is so sexy, beautiful cheekbones, nice, beautiful mole. I look at her as a baby Paulina. So we're gonna darken that hair.
I love my new look. It makes me feel hot. It makes me feel very high fashion. I think everything that I've
Yeah,
seen
I love
for the
that.
makeover.
She looks amazing.
Claire's got that head shaved on one side, looking crazy. Doesn't give you that many options. So I don't know what the heck else to do except for
what else to
shave
do.
the other side. So that buzzed little hair that's gonna be left is gonna get dyed blonde.
I wanted to shave my head, so this is good. It's pretty close to having a shaved head.
Yeah,
but
she
was
looks
never
great.
Ever thought that I could be a blonde.
Yeah, this looks amazing. She looks really nice. I love this color on her. She also looks great with dark hair too. And I love this photo shoot. The makeover photo shoots are always amazing. And they always look editorial and clean and beautiful. And the lighting is amazing. And yet they won't do this for the actual photo shoots on the show.
Fatima's got this fiery orange red hair that is so wrong for her skin color. We're gonna make her a chestnut brown, and she's gonna get weave, weave, down, 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 down.
I've never had this done.
You never did that before. Never. So of course, it's gonna be a little bit more sensitive.
It hurts.
Wait, we saw in the hair.
I guess beauty is pain.
Oh, yeah.
How are you feeling, Fatima?
Allison is going to get lighter hair, little bit of weave.
No, I liked her with dark hair. No, she looked better dark.
My dark hair and my cynical look is gone, but I could also slip back into sarcastic, cynical Allison, but we'll see.
Oh, goodness. No, this is the one where I'm like, I don't like this one. Oh, my God. The way that this before picture looks 200 times better. She looks way nicer with darker hair. This color, I think they just dyed it just to do something. They're like, oh, I mean, there's really no point. They should just kept it as is.
Well, I'm not dreading my new hairdo yet because I'm not bald.
Dominique has worked so hard and suffered so hard and understands how important this competition is. And Dominique is gonna get it cut off.
So she is gonna be bald?
I feel like they have captured that really high fashion look up there that's fierce as hell. It happened that way for a reason, so that
Okay,
defines Dominique.
I like how she looked in the interview. Her hair styled in this interview looks very cute versus in the photo shoot.
Fashion look up there that's fierce as hell.
This, I don't know who styled this. Were they like, okay, it's my lunch break?
It happened that way for a reason, so that defines Dominique.
I'm nervous. I've always wanted to imitate Naomi Campbell, so I want like fierce weave,
Naomi.
like long and big and huge and crazy.
Stacey Ann has the most beautiful bone structure, Tyra. She doesn't need any hair that's really long.
I thought she was gonna say she doesn't need any hair. Oh.
All right.
And I guess they didn't want her to have any.
Wow, oh my God.
She hates it. She hates it. Her reaction saying, oh my gosh, I don't look anything like Naomi Campbell right now. Tyra's like, no one's gonna mention Naomi Campbell and not go bald. That's what you get. There's only one supermodel on this show. It's not gonna be a Naomi Campbell hairstyle. I don't know why he's so happy for watching this. He's happier than the girl who's getting her hair chopped off. He's like,
she wanted Naomi Campbell's hairstyle. You know, it's up down here, long, wavy, voluminous. We're hoping she cries so we can complete this episode.
He's enjoying that.
All right.
Look at him smiling and laughing.
Wow, oh my gosh, that is different.
Okay.
I did not expect this, but I know it brings out my features, so and I have no choice.
I don't know. I gotta say, I don't like it on her. And the short haircuts look good on some girls, but just I don't think this. And why is it like spiky? Why is it like that? Why I don't get this hairstyle on her. Did they want her to cry? Because I feel like when Mr. J was spinning her around, he was like laughing and smiling. He was waiting for her reaction, and then she tried to take it like a champ and respond well to it by saying, "Oh, this is different." But inside, I know she was dying. Just for her saying this is different.
It's exactly what I asked for. No, I said Naomi Campbell. Yeah, when she was a newborn.
They're probably not happy that she's not crying. She's on their radar. He's like, God damn it. Is there anyone left that we can chop their hair off? Fatima? Oh.
And I have no choice. I have to bring it.
She's like, I have no choice.
I'm gonna be looking so fresh.
Amos is crazy, Tyra. And I think she's kind of like a long head. And I think that long, pretty hair would look good with some like long weave.
I like my makeover a lot. I'm afraid Amos might turn into some roaring sex monster, so I think
she looks great.
should watch out.
I never had weave.
What?
This is my first time. Like, I was freaking out because he was pulling my hair that, like, my eyes just started to tear up.
Fatima, with her, really annoying self, she was bitching and moaning about her makeover.
Do you see what's happening? This looks painful. And she said it's her first time getting a weave. They're literally braiding her hair down and sewing hair into it. That sounds so painful. Contestants on other makeovers have said that their head is swollen, that it's painful, it hurts. So yeah, she has every right to be complaining and crying and in pain. I don't know too much about weaves, but is that normal that if your head is swollen or if it's that painful, or is it just you have to get used to it? Let me know in the comments, because it just looks so painful. Is it like painful every time, or do you get used to it at some point? I would love to know more about that.
She was complaining.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That looks like excruciatingly painful.
Doing my hair, it was the most painful experience. I was not prepared for that.
She looks miserable.
Unbelievable.
Oh my God, I love it. When I first saw my new look, I thought it was beautiful.
Wow.
I really liked it. I felt like it really brought up my East Africanness.
She's gorgeous. I like it. I like it a lot. But my God, my goodness, just me watching it looked painful just from me watching it. And again, it's always the girls that have their nice haircuts. No, they don't have to get anything sewn into their hair. They don't have to get their hair chopped off. That are like, oh, this girl's complaining and crying. I was pleasantly surprised, and I was just waiting for something diabolical to happen, and because it didn't, I'm like, did they fumble it? I think they tried it with Stacey Ann. She was the target for this one, where they wanted her to cry and freak out over her makeover, and yet she didn't. Look at Mr. J's face when he's turning Stacey Ann around for the reveal. Just look. Look at Mr. J laughing. And why are there so many people? Look, and then everyone starts laughing. There were too many people involved in this to not wait for her to cry. And I don't think it worked. She reacted positively. She's like, I'm going to work this.
I know it brings out my features, so.
But I know it brings out my features. They're pissed. They're pissed about this. Make no mistake. They're in the back like, God damn it. Didn't she want Naomi Campbell? She wanted the long hairstyle. God, what can we do? This is just my theory. She looks way better in the before picture. There's no reason that they needed to do this to her other than because she mentioned Naomi Campbell.